Today we're going to be drawing a really easy teddy bear, and to show you how easy it is, I have my little 5-year-old assistant here doing it with me. So we're going to start off with the head, and that's an oval shape towards the top part of the page. Do it nice and big. Like that. Now we're going to be drawing the belly. So it's going to be another oval shape just underneath the head and a very similar size. Just like that, excellent. Now we're going to be drawing a curved line on the belly. This is going to look like this. That's it. Excellent. Now we're going to be drawing a curved line, and this is going to be for the nose area. So just draw a curved line like this on the head. Well done. Now for the nose, which is like a little triangle just there on the curved line. Excellent. I'm going to be drawing another curved line coming down like that. How are you finding it? Is it okay? Hard or okay?
Okay.
Okay, brilliant. Now at the bottom of that line that we just did, we're going to be drawing a smiley face. So let's draw a smiley face. Draw a smiley face. Either end of the smiley mouth, we're going to be doing a little line, a little line. Excellent. Now, at the end of this curved line that we did before, we're going to be drawing the eyes. And they're so small you can hardly see them. So one on either side. That's it. Oh, yours are super small. Excellent. Now, coming up from the nose, we're going to be drawing a curved line coming up like that. Excellent. Now we're going to be adding the ears. So one ear here and another ear here. And now we're going to be doing the part inside the ear. One ear and another little bit here. Very good. Now we're going to be adding a bit of the body. So just draw a curved line in between the two ovals, between the top oval and the bottom oval. And the same here. Now we're going to be drawing the arms. So just starting further up here, we're going to be drawing another curved line. There we go. Is this fun? You're going to have to say yes or no because they can't see your head on the camera.
Yes.
So there's the other one. Now we're going to be drawing the feet. This might be a little bit harder, but I know you can do it. So I'm going to be drawing one foot coming down like that. Can you do that bit? Excellent. And then we're going to follow it round like that. And then it's going to join up with the body. Well done. Then we're going to add a little line in between that foot and the body. Excellent. Now for the other foot. So we're going to be drawing a curved line here. That's it. Then starting here on the body, we're going to draw a line coming down and round till it hits the other foot. That's it. Brilliant. And then we're going to add on a little bit of hair. Just 3 little lines like that. Really good. Do you want to colour it in?
Yes.
Okay, we're going to use a yellow. So we're going to colour in the whole thing apart from this little nose area in yellow, okay? So just very lightly, don't press too hard. Just going to colour in the whole thing. I'm going to speed this up now. So we've done it all in yellow. Now we're going to be using our brown. So the brown are for the areas of shading. So just under here, it's a little bit darker. And a little bit here. Oh dear, my pencil's broken. Luckily I had a spare near me. So I'm now using a yellow ochre, but you can still carry on using your brown. There we go. Can you do a little bit underneath the chin? There we go. This is called shading. A little bit underneath the ear here. That's it. And a tiny bit on the top of the belly. Excellent. Doing really well. Now a little bit under the belly, just here. And then at the top of the legs. A little bit more at the top of the legs. When you shade, I tend to find that it's easier if I do like little circles like this. There we go, that blends it in nicer. And here as well. And then a tiny bit up the top here. Now you're going to need your pink. Where do you think, oh, where do you think we're going to be putting our pink? Tell me.
I don't know.
You don't know. Should we do it for the little pink cheeks?
Yeah.
So we're going to have some really rosy cheeks. There we go. Oh wow, yours has got really rosy cheeks. And then, how about the ears? Keep holding your pink. How about the inside of the ears? Should we do those pink?
Yes.
Excellent job. Okay, we haven't done the nose yet, have we? Do you want to borrow my black and colour in your nose?
Yes.
So just colour in the nose. There we go. I'm going to do the same. I'm going to leave a little tiny bit white so it looks as if it's shiny. Now, if you've got your grey, or you can use any kind of light, I'm using like a lilac one. You're using a grey, aren't you? So we're just going to use the grey for the shadow underneath the feet. So it doesn't look like our teddy bear's floating in the air, is that right?
Yes.
I'm also going to add a tiny bit of grey or lilac, as I'm using here, just underneath the chin area, just there. And maybe in the areas of shadow like we did before, just to make it a little bit darker, yeah? And at the bottom of the feet. And should we put a little bit here as well?
Yes.
Just a tiny bit. Oh, bless you. There we go. Excellent work. What do you think?
Good.
Yeah, I like your teddy bear. If you've enjoyed doing this with us, please hit like and subscribe, and I hope to see you on the next one. Thank you for joining me, my wonderful assistant. Should we say bye?
Bye-bye.
Bye.